ServSafe Food Manager Practice Test PDF. Question 1. A manager must ensure that cleaning frequency for constant use is handled by every shift, every 2 hours, once a day, every 4 hours. Equipment in constant use must be cleaned every 4 hours. Question 2. Why is coving purpose important in a kitchen? Slip resistance, aesthetics, pest control, easy to clean corners. Coving makes floor-to-wall joints easier to clean. Question 3. When training staff on air gap requirement, emphasize that prevents backflow, increases water pressure, cools water, filters water. An air gap is the only way to reliably prevent backflow. Question 4. A failure in Staphylococcus aureus can lead to soil, virus, bacteria from skin/nose, parasite. Staph is carried on human skin and transferred by touch. Question 5. In the context of food safety, maximum time for hot holding without temp control involves 6 hours, 2 hours, 8 hours, 4 hours. Hot food can be held 4 hours if started at 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 6. A food safety manager must remember that first step in cleaning and sanitizing is rinse, Washington scrape or remove food bits, sanitize. Always scrape food from the surface first. Question 7. A failure in safe temperature for eggs for immediate service can lead to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. Immediate service eggs need 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 8. When handled improperly, Shigella source causes raw beef, pork, contaminated water/flies, shellfish. Shigella is spread via feces and flies. Question 9. Which action is necessary for dishwasher final rinse temp, high temp, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 82 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. High temp machines need 180 degrees Fahrenheit to sanitize. Question 10. What defines the standard for ventilation purpose? Removes grease/smoke, dries dishes, cools food, heats food. Ventilation systems remove odors and grease. Question 11. A food safety manager must remember that cooking temperature for seafood is 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 68 degrees Celsius, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. Seafood should be cooked to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 12. Why is cross-contact definition important in a kitchen? Allergens touching other food, chemicals in food, bacteria touching food, physical hazards in food. Cross-contact specifically refers to the transfer of allergens. Question 13. To prevent illness, maximum time TCS food can be in danger zone must be 6 hours, 8 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours. Food must be discarded after 4 hours in the danger zone. Question 14. Under ServSafe guidelines, reheating TCS food temperature is 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 68 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. TCS food for hot holding must be reheated to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 15. The definition of consumer advisory requirement in the FDA food code is raw/undercooked food, hot food, allergens, frozen food. Advisories are needed for raw/undercooked items. Question 16. Documentation for bimetallic STEM thermometer range must include 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 220 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. This thermometer is useful for checking temps from 0 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 17. During an audit, Staphylococcus aureus is evaluated by soil, bacteria from skin/nose, virus, parasite. Staph is carried on human skin and transferred by touch. Question 18. Which of these is prohibited regarding vacuum-packed food risk? Botulism, Listeria, norovirus, Salmonella. Anaerobic environments in vacuum packs risk C. Botulinum. Question 19. A health inspector will look for cooking temperature for poultry to be 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius, 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. Poultry must reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit to kill Salmonella. Question 20. A failure in Salmonella typhi source can lead to humans only, poultry, cows, pigs. Salmonella typhi lives only in humans.